Welcome to SCANItpro. In this tutorial, we'll cover offline scanning and sync, how to keep capturing leads even when your internet connection drops, and how to make sure every scan syncs properly when you're back online. Step 1. Prepare for offline scanning. Before you head onto the show floor, take 30 seconds to cache your attendee data. Inside the lead scanner, you'll see the Prepare for Offline Scanning card at the top of the screen. Tap Cache Now to download attendee names and company information directly to your device. This means that even if your Wi-Fi or data connection disappears mid-event, SCANItpro will still display attendee details when you scan a badge. Step 2. Confirm your cache is ready. Once the download is complete, you'll see a green confirmation message reading 5 attendees cached for offline use, or whatever the attendee count is for your event. That green checkmark is your signal that you're ready to scan offline. You'll continue to see the online status indicator at the top, and SCANItpro will automatically switch to offline mode if your connection drops. Step 3. Scanning while offline. When you're offline, every badge you scan is captured and stored in a local queue on your device. SCANItpro keeps scanning exactly as it does when you're connected. You won't miss a single lead. In the scanner settings, you can see the storage management panel, which shows your local storage usage broken down into leads, attendees, and queue. The queue count tells you exactly how many scans are waiting to sync. You'll also notice the auto-save scans toggle. Make sure this is switched on so leads are automatically saved the moment a badge is scanned. Step 4. Manual code entry. If your camera isn't available or if a badge won't scan, don't worry. Tap the keyboard icon at the top of the scanner to open manual code entry. Here you can type or paste a badge code directly, then tap Look Up Attendee to retrieve their information. SCANItpro also accepts vCard data, JSON, or a URL. Just paste it in and the parser handles the rest. Manual entries go into the same queue and sync just like camera scans. Step 5. Syncing when you're back online. The moment SCANItpro detects an internet connection, it automatically syncs your queued leads to the cloud. You don't need to do anything, just reconnect, and the sync happens in the background. Once synced, your leads appear on your lead dashboard and are available to your whole team. In scanner settings, you can tap Clear Synced Data to free up local storage after a successful sync, or use Clear All Local Data if you need a full reset. The automatic cleanup feature also runs hourly in the background, pruning synced leads older than 7 days to keep your device storage clean. And that's how offline scanning and sync works in SCANItpro. Cache your attendees before the event, scan with confidence anywhere on the floor, and let SCANItpro handle the rest automatically. Visit SCANItpro.com to learn more.